Today we're making pigeon broth, a dish that centuries ago was served on the tables of aristocrats and considered a true delicacy. Stay until the end and I will show you the entire process and why this forgotten recipe is worth trying at least once. The ingredient list is surprisingly simple. The only real challenge is finding a pigeon. First, prepare the vegetables. Cut the leek, carrot, and parsley root. Add a few cloves of garlic. There is no need to peel them. Then, cut an onion in half and char it over a dry pan or open flame. This simple step gives the broth its beautiful golden color and a much deeper aroma. Now place all the vegetables into a large pot together with the pigeon. Add fresh rosemary, parsley, bay leaves, a few black peppercorns, and allspice berries. Pour in cold water and let everything simmer very gently for about 3 hours. It is very important that the broth only slightly bubbles. If it boils too aggressively, it will become cloudy and lose some of its deep, rich flavor. This is one of the simplest dishes you can prepare, but it requires patience. For centuries, pigeon broth has been valued as a nourishing and warming meal. The long cooking process releases collagen from the bones, along with easily digestible proteins and minerals, creating a broth that is both flavorful and deeply comforting. Once the broth is ready, remove the pigeon and carefully separate the meat from the bones. Serve the broth with cooked noodles, pieces of pigeon meat, and freshly chopped parsley on top. If you enjoy discovering forgotten recipes and unique culinary stories, I would love for you to stay and join me for more.